So we'll get a minus b equal to 1 by root 5, and so a plus b is equal to 1, a minus b is 1 by root 5, so that implies 2a will be 1 plus 1 by root 5, so a will be 1 by 2, root 5 plus 1 by root 5, and b will be equal to, so 2b will be equal to 1 minus 1 by root 5, so b is 1 by 2 root 5 minus 1 by root 5. So that is the value of a and b. Therefore, the required solution is, so an is equal to, so now substitute for a and b, so we will get 1 by 2, 1 plus root 5 by root 5 into 1 plus root 5 by 2 whole power n, plus b will be, so let me write it as minus 1 by 2 root 5, 1 minus root 5, so that is the value of b, so we will get 1 plus root 5, 1 minus root 5 varum, so 1 minus root 5 by 2 whole power n. So this is the required solution. നമുക്ക് ഇനി ഇതിനെ, okay, again we can write it as 1 by root 5 into 1 plus root 5 by 2 എഴുതിയിട്ടുണ്ട്. അപ്പോൾ 1 plus root 5 by 2 whole power n plus 1 minus 1 minus root 5 by 2 whole power n plus 1. So that is the solution. Now let us look at an equation of third order. So let us solve an minus 7 an minus 1 plus 15 an minus 2 minus 9 an minus 3 equal to 0. So we are given the conditions a naught equal to 1, a1 equal to 2, and a2 equal to 3. So replace ai by x raised to I, so that will give x power n minus 7 x raised to n minus 1 plus 15 x raised to n minus 2 minus 9 x raised to n minus 3 equal to 0. So we will get x cube minus 7 x square plus 15 x minus 9 equal to 0. So this is cubic equation. So the characteristic roots are, so solve for this equation. So upon solving you will get x equal to 1, 3, 3. That is the solution. So therefore the general solution is, ഇപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ രണ്ട് കേസും വരുന്നുണ്ട്, ഡിസ്റ്റിങ്ക്റ്റും മൾട്ടിപ്ലിസിറ്റി ഉള്ളതും, then there is the root 1 which is appearing only once. So the general solution will be given by an equal to a corresponding to 1, you will have 1 raised to n, then b plus c n 3 raised to n. Now 1 raised to n is 1, so we will get a plus b plus c n 3 raised to n. So that is the value of a n. Now we are given the initial conditions. So a naught is 1, a1 is 2, and a2 is equal to 3. And we have an equal to a plus b plus cn into 3 raised to n. So let us find out the value of a, b and c. From a naught n equal to 0 വരുമ്പോൾ we will get a plus b. So a plus b is 1, and a plus b plus c into 3 is equal to 2, and a plus b plus n2 വരുമ്പം 2c into 9 is equal to 3. So we will get the equation as a plus b equal to 1, a plus 3b plus 3c equal to 2, and a plus 9b plus 18c equal to 3. So we need to solve for this equation. On solving, we will get a equal to 0, b equal to 1, and c equal to minus 1 by 3. So therefore, the general solution is, so substitute for a, b and c, the general solution. So the required solution is a. So we will get 1 minus n by 3 power